Are you sore or stiff all over your body and you need a restorative flow due to stiffness, soreness from a workout, or you've been sitting a lot and you need a gentle release? Hi, my name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. Join me for a gentle, restorative yoga flow targeting your hips back all the way to your neck. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay, my friends, let's start on your hands and knees position. Hands level to your shoulders, knees level to your hips, and we'll do a gentle trunk twist while you're in hands and knees position. As I slowly turn to the right, I'm looking behind my right ankle as I breathe in, and then breathe out to the other side. Shifting my body weight left and right, feeling that gentle release of my shoulders and hips. Breathe in and breathe out. And now we're progressing a little bit with a gentle rotation. You're rotating your shoulders and hips, shifting your body weight into a circle. If there's a pendulum in the middle and using your belly button, you're making a big circle around. As you breathe in and breathe out, slowly warming up your shoulders and your hips all the way to your fingertips, knees and feet. Now let's do reverse circle, right over left, squeezing your core in, engaging your core muscles. 2 more circles. Inhale and exhale. Well done. Now we'll do a lovely cat and camel. Great way to release tension of your neck and back as you round your shoulder to an angry cat. Pelvic curl in. As you exhale, slowly lower your chest down, pressing your hands to the mat to extend your elbows and look up and arch your back as you breathe out. Inhale, round, chin tuck, angry cat. Exhale to a camel and breathe out. 6 more. 5 more. Slow and steady, feel every movement of your body, releasing the stiffness away. 3 more. Slowly warming up your body more. 2. Last one. And 1. Well done. Now grab the mat with your toes so we can do a downward dog as you lift your knees off the mat, pressing your hands to the mat, making sure your body weight radiates from your forearm in the inner side all the way to your thumb, and gentle pedal left and right as you breathe in and breathe out. Pedal left and right, releasing tension of your calves and hamstrings. Now slowly walk your hands, monkey walk back towards your hands and knees to a forward fold. Slightly bend your knees for beginners, so your knees are touching your chest, releasing your low back muscles but keeping your spine straight. Try not to round so you don't hurt your low back. Now from this position, you can hold on to the mat and slowly march left and right. Extend your hamstrings and calves if you can. 4 more. Feel the release on your hamstrings and calves. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly place your hands behind your calves and then rest your hands to your knees to help you get up, and then place your hands to your hips so you can slowly extend your knees with your back straight. You want to make sure your back is straight so you're not hurting. You feel that lovely stretch on your hamstrings as you breathe in, and then breathe out. Slowly bend your knees to go further down for forward fold for beginners, and then reaching down to the mat, and then slowly roll back to downward dog, a monkey walk forward, And then press your chest down to stretch again. Now slowly lift your left leg up for single leg downward dog. Left toes pointing to the ceiling. As you inhale, then place your knee between your hands to a pigeon stretch. And then lower your hip down, extending your right knee. Feeling the lovely stretch on your left glutes. Pressing your hands to the mat to fully stretch your right hip flexors as well. As you breathe in, and then breathe out, slowly lower your chest down to the mat, extending your hands forward for a forward fold and pigeon stretch. And hold that in 5 deep breaths. As you exhale, press your hands again to the mat, extending your elbows, and gently grab the mat with your right toes to help you lift your left knee back to downward dog. So lift your right knee and then lift your left knee to downward dog. March again left and right to stretch your calves and hamstrings as you breathe in and breathe out. Now lift this time your right foot up to a single leg downward dog on your right, squeezing your core in. Feel that lovely stretch and core engagement. As you breathe out, place your right knee between your hands to a pigeon stretch. And lower your left knee. Feel that beautiful stretch on your right glutes. Press your hands up to a deeper stretch on your left hip flexors as well. As you breathe in and breathe out. Last deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly lower your chest down, extending your arms for a deeper stretch on your right glutes, and hold that in 5 deep breaths. Last deep breath in, press your hands again to the side and lift your shoulders up, looking up. Feel the stretch on your upper back and neck. Grab the mat with your left toes to slowly lift your left knee and then your right knee back to downward dog. And pedal again left and right. As you breathe in and breathe out, slowly lower your hips down to a plank position. And then slowly lower your chest down to a chaturanga, slow and steady. And then press your hands for an upward facing dog and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Last deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly lower your chest down. Grab the mat with your toes to go back to your hands and knees position. And then lower your hips down to a child pose. And hold that in 3 deep breaths. Back to your hands and knees position. And we'll do a lovely thread the needle as you lift your right hand up, pointing to the ceiling to release your upper back, neck, and shoulders. And then breathe out, thread the needle towards the left between your armpit. Rest your right shoulder, your ear, and head, and then extend your left arm if you can for a deeper stretch. Last deep breath in. As you exhale, place your hand back near your face to press your hand up to extension, back to your hands and knees position, and switch to the other side with your left hand pointing to the ceiling, looking up. As you breathe in, breathe out, thread the needle towards your right armpit, resting your left elbow, ear, and head, and then extending your right arm and elbow as you have a deeper stretch. As you exhale, place your hand back to the mat. Hands in this position. And then we'll do a lovely puppy pose when you lower your hands and chest down, keeping your hips up. So I'm placing my hands in front of me at the edge of the mat. And then lower your chest down, keeping that glutes facing up to the ceiling if you can. Inhale and exhale. Last deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly crawl back to hands in this position. We're gonna go to your side, lie on your side. And we'll do a lovely stretch, placing your right foot in front of you and slowly pull it towards you. Feel that lovely stretch on your right hip all the way to your right knee. Close your eyes if you like to. Inhale and exhale. Last deep breath in. As you exhale, extend your right knee and then slowly lie on your back. And this time you're going to place your right foot outside of your left knee, placing your right hand extended on your right, left hand over your left, outside of your left knee as you slowly twist towards the left, and then turning my head to the right for a deeper stretch. And hold that in 2 deep breaths. As you exhale, slowly place your knee down and straight and switch to the other side. Your left foot over your outside of your right knee, extending your left hand out, level to your shoulder, right hand over the outside of your left knee as you slowly twist to the right, pulling your left knee down and turning my head to the left. And hold that in 2 deep breaths. Last deep breath in. And then I'm going to lie on my right side, placing my left foot over the outside of my right hip and pulling it towards me for a deeper stretch on my left glutes, and all the way down to my IT band and left knee. And hold that in 2 deep breaths. Now we're gonna lie on your back, bend your knees, placing your feet together for a butterfly stretch, pulling your feet towards your chest, and hold that in 2 deep breaths. Now grab your big toes with your hands, clasp it, and face your feet towards the ceiling and gently pull down towards the mat with your knees bent 90 degrees as much as you can to open up your hips and gently rock left and right as you breathe in and breathe out. Last deep breath in. Now lower your feet down. Place your right ankle over your left thigh for a figure 4 stretch. Hug your knees to your chest for a piriformis stretch. And hold that in 2 deep breaths. Now gently rock left and right. Inhale. As you exhale, lower your foot down and switch to the other side. Figure 4 on your left over your right. Hug your knees to your chest if you can. Hold it in 2 deep breaths. Now gently rock left and right as you take deep breaths in and out. And now extend your knees, open your palms up, and rest in this position in 5 deep breaths to restore. Close your eyes and feel your breath work. Last deep breath in. As you exhale, that's it. Namaste. Sit up. Namaste. I'm hoping you enjoyed this gentle restorative yoga flow to restore your shoulders, hips, neck, all the way to your hips, low back, and limbs. If you love this video and want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy, health, and wellness, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Like and share this video. Every like you give my channel, you are supporting me. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, leave a comment down below or direct message me on my social media and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. I'll be relaunching my back masterclass for those who find this exercise too difficult and you need the special guidance if you're experiencing back pain and you need to strengthen your core and posture and overall health. Click the link down below, be part of my early bird waitlist for first come, first serve basis. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy. See you in my next video. Bye!